Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to reverse money on NetBank app. In order to reverse money on NetBank app, you have to follow the steps. First thing, you have to go and log into your NetBank app. So open up a browser, type in your account. And when you open it up, this is how it's gonna look like. So here you could go and press the try bar icon and click on login into your credential and log in into your account. When you're logged in, then you need to choose your account. And when you've actually selected the account, next you have to tap on the debit order tabs. When you're done with that procedure, you need to choose the debit order you'd like to reverse. As you have actually selected, then click on reverse debit order located right at the bottom. Then choose a reason for a reversal, and next thing you have to confirm the reversal. So press on reverse debit order and tap stop debit order. When you've actually done with this procedure, then you've successfully completed the ways to reverse money on NetBank app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.